Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you saw my shop with me, you know that I went to the Dollar Tree. So I thought I would show you what all I got. Some of them are for some DIYs. And as you can tell, I'm back in the dining room. I haven't done that in a long time. But let's go ahead and check out what we got. I did get a couple pair of the white Diabetic Socks, and I also got a pair of black ones, so 2 and 2, and they are the low cut ankle size. I also I did end up picking up the Sour Patch Kids. I hope there's another one in here somewhere, but I got the hearts and then the watermelon. They are the same size, which means that will work for my Valentine's. I picked up a small 7-day pill organizer because I do have a large one, but I like to travel with these and I'm usually not gone for 7 days or more. I also picked up some bamboo skewers. Those are gonna be for DIYs, not for shish kebabs. And then they had these, I had to try it. It's the Makeup Vanishing towel. I've had those pink makeup towels that I've given as gifts before, but I've never used it myself. I have used the Dollar Tree towels that are used for makeup, and those work amazing. I love them. I picked up a couple of these. They're called Brush Buddies Pop-In Toothbrush. And you can see here, the head pops up and there's a toothbrush in there. So fun for littles. And I have 2 that come over and sometimes need a toothbrush. So I also, I've never tried, it's white vinegar. It looks like it's a Jack Daniels or Jim Beam or something like that, one of the alcohols, but it is white vinegar. And I just need white vinegar for cleaning and thought I would try that. Also for cleaning, the awesome, what is it? LA's Totally Awesome. This stuff is good, you guys, really good. Now, tell me if you've tried this one. I have not, but it's spray glass cleaner, and I don't know if it foams or what it does, but it does have ammonia, so hopefully that'll cut on some streaking. And really, guys, I don't need it to be like streak free. I need it to be dirt free, because I have tons of children handprints from the pool to the inside and dog prints. I also picked up a few of these. I haven't bought these in a long time. I bought this one just for the laundry room saying. I bought this one, Let Go and Let God, and then it's got some beautiful flowers there. And then this one says, Be Happy. And I thought I would use that for some of my journaling. I also picked up some foam, just some flower foam. What else? Okay, I know, what am I thinking, but I did pick up the Natural Eyelash Enhance Serum with castor oil. I don't know. I'm a sucker for that type of stuff. Even as I'm putting it in the cart, I'm like, that's not gonna work. Why would it be at the Dollar Tree? But you never know. Sometimes the Dollar Tree things can surprise you, right? Like that Totally Awesome cleaner. I did pick up the Nightlight with the white square and the pink heart. I think those can DIY. I think you saw me, if you watched my shop with me, I got a couple of these little pop, squeeze and release pops. So I'm sure these again are just little toys that the kids are into right now. I picked up a grapevine wreath. So I feel like romper room, right? I know, I just aged myself, that's okay. I also picked up some Spanish moss. That'll be fun for a DIY. And I'm hoping to get that DIY done here pretty quickly. Spanish moss is now everywhere. You just have to bring it out once. Another toothbrush. This one is the frog. So we've got a frog and an elephant. I picked up the cell phone case, even though I just ordered one for either $9.99 or $14.99, and then now I just found one for $1. Again, I don't think, I'm gonna have to look at my receipt. Yep, it's still $1. So Arizona, so far, I found just the dollars. I usually don't buy food, but I had to try these crispy onions because I love crispy onions, so there we go. Another one of these in blue. I get one in red, one in blue. That way the two littles won't fight over them. I had to try this. This is the Right On removable index tabs. To be quite honest, I'm doing it to get that catalog all organized to see what classes I'm gonna do when and what I have and what I need to buy. I'm gonna try the Sugar Lip Scrub. So I did grab that, as well as the lip scrubber. So even when I go like that, I can still feel that there's some dryness on there. So these two together, I think will be nice. I don't know why I got this. I just think it's cute. And you know me, I am a sucker for mailing cards. So I thought I would get that. That one probably won't be DIY. Who knows? It might. We'll never know. We'll see. I found the fourth one. That is going to be for a DIY. And then the last two items that I got were in conjunction with each other, which is the glitter hot glue sticks and the mini hot glue gun for $1 and $1. We can try some little wax seals, or I mean, you can make all kinds. You can make earrings out of this stuff, all kinds of fun stuff. So we'll give it a try, but I wanted to buy a new little hot glue gun so that for $2, it's not a horrible waste on my other glue guns that were a little bit more than $1. So, all right, beauties, let me know if you like it. If you give me a big thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. It helps my channel. Feel free to share this. And then if you buy some of these items, we could DIY together. So, all right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.